Let's say I wanted to embed media, such as a video, directly within a lesson. I could do that by opening up a video on YouTube, clicking on Share, and simply copying the link to that. If you paste it inside CK-12, it should auto-convert and embed that directly if it is a link from YouTube. Alternatively, I could go ahead and delete that, end the embedded video, and pull the embed code from here. So on YouTube, you'd find the embed code by clicking Share, Embed, and then copying this embed code. This allows you to do things like put a different start time on there or include other components and adjust the frame and height if you wanted to do that. From here, I could copy this, but instead of pasting it directly within the lesson and having it auto-insert it, I would need to use my Insert Edit Media box. By clicking on that icon, I can then paste the embed code I just pulled from YouTube, click Preview, make sure that I have the right video, and insert it accordingly. That's also a great way to check to see what is being included. So here I could click on this, click on the Insert Edit Media, and see that it's a video about an octopus opening a jar. So for YouTube, there are two options. I can paste just the general YouTube share code, and it will insert it directly, or I can use the embed code as is or adjusting it accordingly and insert that media. I can insert other things as well, such as any of our Plix or Simulations interactives, which we cover in another quick overview video, or I can insert other things with an embed code as long as that license allows me to do that. Let's say I wanted to include something at the end about learned behavior in pets. Now I've created a Google Slides presentation on the dogs of CK-12. And for Google Slides, if you look under File and then Publish to the Web, you can pull the embed code for that particular slides presentation. I'm going to go ahead and copy that, click back to my lesson, use the same Insert Edit Media option, and paste that embed code there. Now when I go ahead and insert this, I get learned behavior in pets, and if I finalize this, I can see the content that I've included there. And you'll see that this includes both the video on the octopus tool option that I had earlier there. So let's go ahead and scroll down to that piece. So here's that octopus tool that I embedded, first using just the code and then actually deleting that and embedding it cleanly with the media option. Either option is fine. And then down at the bottom, you can see the Google Slides presentation that I also included within this lesson. Just remember that anything in there needs to fit our same copyright because you're sharing it under CK-12.